Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. In today's video, we are doing a quick kitchen and laundry room cleanup after a birthday party. I didn't have the birthday party in my apartment, but it was outside, so there was a lot of back and forth, a lot of just dumping all of the leftover trash and everything in my kitchen and laundry room area. So we're gonna get all of that together. If you're interested, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.
Focused only on the negative. All she can attract is pain.
Let's get started. I like to call this the ledge of death because this is where all of my clutter, everything comes to die, and it stays here and it piles on top of each other. So we're gonna get this area together first, and then we're gonna move on to the kitchen.
Birds fly south for the winter, but she ran to the west side. And though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know she'd rather keep her distance, but as time moves on, she's drifting away from me. But did the ocean...
Just a disclaimer, you're gonna see a lot of cake and cupcakes in this video. The cake that you see wrapped up in the bag on the ledge is the cake that we used for his actual birthday, to sing happy birthday to him, to my now 4-year-old. I can't believe I'm saying that, on his actual birthday. And then the other cake that's in the kitchen, it's from the party that was on Sunday. So I am filming and editing and uploading this on the same day. So it is Wednesday, the 18th, and that cake has got to go.
But you're not alone. Take my hand. No shame in the surrender to a bigger picture. Birds fly south for the winter, but you ran to the west side. And though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know you don't wanna burn bridges, but as time moves on, you slipping away from me. But did the ocean breeze pacify you? Did the palm trees sanctify you? I bet the ocean breeze did advise you that you'll never find you on the run from yourself, on the run from yourself. You thought the grass was greener, but she was safe all along.
My $20 air fryer had the nerve to conk out on me, so I have to get rid of it.
It's a sour taste in it. It's a sour taste. To be fooled again, honey. To be fooled again. Stole my heart and ripped it into pieces. Yes, you did. You know it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I want it. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I wanted us to make sense.
I'm just emptying out some leftovers from last week, and then we're gonna get started on the dishes.
I just wanna be the one. Save the heat and maybe make a promise, and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws. It's a cold embrace, ain't it? It's a big mistake to be falling back to the stuff we know will fail. Stole my thoughts for no given reason, none at all. No, it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I wanted. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I wanted us to make sense. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws. Hey, you better make it work.
I do want to say thank you all so much for almost 600 subscribers, or 600 subscribers. You know, YouTube, your subscribers fluctuate from day to day, but being so close, if not there, is just so amazing, and is all thanks to each and every one of you. So thank you so much.
Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 and make it through all our flaws.
I wanna get you all alone now and go hide away from the lights, but I don't dare to. I'm too fragile, and for that I do apologize. Maybe someday we can...
Wow, that was so satisfying to watch back. Leave a comment down below. What are some things that you would like to see from me on my channel? It doesn't have to be cleaning related. It could be something that you would like to see in a vlog, something that you would like to hear me talk about, anything. Just leave a comment down below and let me know.
Fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I think I'm love drunk and it feels wrong, but I'm not afraid to admit I used to feel safe next to you, babe. Now I'm thinking I deserve a hit. Maybe someday we could work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. Love's too deep. Oh, no.
always love to reuse my empty candle jars for putting my makeup brushes, putting knickknacks in them, putting whatever, any small items. They're perfect for that. And it's so much easier to get the label off if you run some hot water over them, and then you can just peel them right off, wash it out, and reuse it.
You know your love's too deep.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out.
When I have done the dishes and don't have that many dirty dishes, it's kind of hard to fit everything in this cabinet. So I'm just going in and kind of reorganizing and getting things a little more tidy so I'm able to fit more in this space.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
I need new flavor, reason to throw my game, not really why I came.
Now moving on to the laundry room area, I have a lot of leftover trash and boxes and things from the party. So I'm just getting all of that out of here. I'm going to take it to the dumpster and to the recycling right after I finish cleaning. So I'm just placing that right outside of my front door.
Getting bored out looking for attention. I'm not looking to meet new friends. No, I've been looking for a love inside, for someone I appreciate.
I was so disappointed to see that my camera cut off while I was filming this time lapse, but as you can see, I just folded up all of the laundry that was on top of the dryer, getting that cleared away, and then we're going to move on to organizing these water bottles. I don't normally have water bottles, but I had them for the party, so I'm just going to put them in this bin. I normally put toilet paper in this bin, but I have a huge pack of toilet paper from Costco that won't fit in here, so I'm just going to leave it in the packaging it came in and utilize this for the water bottles.
Looking to meet new friends. No, I've been looking for love inside, for someone I appreciate, and every page crossed my way. I love that I don't know your name. Oh no, I never meant to misbehave. Something about you makes me.
And we are all done. It feels so good to have a clean kitchen midday. I hope this gave you some motivation to get up and get cleaning. Even if you don't feel like it, you always feel better afterwards. It looks better, it smells better, just like working out. You always feel better after working out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.